Why are alarm clocks designed to wake you up with the most annoying sound ever? It's no accident. That harsh, blaring beep is engineered to cut straight through sleep inertia, the groggy fog your brain fights after waking. Scientists at RMIT University found that these jarring tones force your brain's alert systems to kick in fast, making it nearly impossible to ignore. Most alarms use mid-frequency sounds, around 500 Hz, because they're uncomfortable enough to jolt you awake, even if you're deep in sleep. But here's the twist. Research shows melodic alarms, like a catchy tune, can actually reduce morning grogginess even better. Still, the classic beep dominates because it's brutally effective. Next time you hear it, remember, it's annoying for a reason. Want to wake up better? Try switching to a melody.